What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for our new preset series, the Essential series. Now, this tutorial specifically focuses on Logic Pro X hip-hop rap vocal presets compatible with stock plugins. Let's get into it.
Combat, this a banger, huh?
Alright, so when you guys first download your pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. Now, as you guys can see, we have our hip-hop essential vocals. These are all our presets right here. We have our templates and presets right here. And we also have a readme. Now, with this readme, it pretty much just takes you to this tutorial that you guys are watching right here. But there's also a nice little discount in there for our website, so make sure you guys check it out. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to go to Spotlight up here and type in channel strip settings. Hit enter. Now you guys are gonna get this folder right here. To make sure you guys are in the right folder, you just right click the hierarchy right here and you guys make sure you're in username, music, audio, music, apps, channel strip settings. Double click track, and all you're gonna do is drag and drop hip hop essential vocal stock. That is it. Alright, once you guys do that, we are then now going to go into this folder right here with all our templates. As you guys can see, we have 3 different presets and templates. These templates include the aggressive Bay Area vocals, the LA crisp vocals, as well as New York drill warm vocals. Now the difference between the 3 is pretty much in their names. The aggressive Bay Area vocals are just really in your face aggressive vocals. LA crisp vocals is more of the crispy side of the vocals. We really brought out more of the high frequency. And then we also have the New York drill warm vocals. Now the warm vocals are just a little bit more of the warm smoothness of the vocals. So you can kind of go between the different presets depending on the type of song you guys are doing, or maybe even the type of environment you guys are recording in. That includes the interface or the mic. So if your mic or interface and your vocals kind of give it more of a high frequency kind of range, you guys maybe want to use the warm to kind of bring in more of the smoothness to your vocals. And the same thing with the opposite. If you guys feel like you guys have really like warm vocals and they sound a little dull sometimes, the LA crisp vocals will help heighten and brighten those up. Cool. So the first thing I'm going to do is double click the LA crisp vocals. So when you guys open up your session, you guys are going to get this template right here. As you guys can see, we have our beat, we have our recording track, our lead verse, double ad-libs, as well as our hook, dub, ad-libs. And if we hit X on the keyboard, you guys can see all the wonderful plugins for each track right here, as well as some reverb, New York compression, one type of echo and another type of echo. And we also have some stuff on the master as well. All right, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is save as. Now the reason why we save as is because if you guys were to record on this template right here, you guys would have to keep re-downloading the preset that you guys bought off the website. It's because it's overriding on this exact template all the time. So when we save as, it's going to create a whole separate folder or a whole separate session to where everything you guys do is going to be in that session, leaving you with the original so you guys could keep making new songs. Okay, so for this, I'm just going to save it on desktop. So I'm just going to do desktop, and I'm just going to hit example 1 and just hit save. Perfect. So now everything we do here will not mess with the original. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to drag in the beat because we're ready to record. So I'm just going to go to where I have my vocals. All right, so I'm going to go to my example files. I'm going to go to my LA crisp vocals. I'm going to drag in the beat right here. We're going to drag it in to the very start. Cool. And I'm just going to play that out and make sure it works. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. And you guys could just adjust the volume with this fader right here. Perfect. Now we're going to drag in the vocal. We're going to drag in the acapella right here. We'll bring it from the top. Now, as you guys can see, these are a little blown out. I want to use an example from someone that actually recorded at home so you guys could see, doesn't matter the equipment, doesn't matter how it was recorded, it will still make it clear. And I'll show you guys right here. So I'm just going to lower this gain a little bit so we can see that waveform, that beautiful, beautiful waveform. All right, now let's hear the before. So this is if you guys just recorded on this recording track. We're going to hear this out right now.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
All right, perfect. Now let's drag it down to the corresponding track. So we got the lead verse right here. Let's hear it.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree.
So if you want to raise or lower that, you guys could just use this right here.
And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge Joe, keep on rolling out the P. Hey, say goddamn, ain't you high, nigga? Shorty bust up in a wish you wanna.
Perfect. If you guys want to adjust with the reverb, delay, all that, you guys could use this right here. The bus 1, 2, and 3. 1 would be our reverb, 3 would be our echo.
boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge, keep on rolling all the P. Hey, say goddamn, ain't you high, nigga?
If you guys want to make sure that echo is on point, like it's with the tempo and everything, we could go to our beat and just click BPM, and it'll automatically show you guys what the tempo is. You just gotta let it run.
Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree.
So as you guys can see, it says 100 right here. We're gonna go up to tempo, and we're gonna click in 100. Hit enter. Now everything will be gridded, and everything, all the echoes will be at 100 BPM. Perfect. Let's play that out.
Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC.
Awesome. So let's just say you guys got that down. Now you're ready for ad-libs. I'm going to drag in those ad-libs right here. Now we're going to hear those ad-libs dry first, and then we'll hear them with the ad-lib effects.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. Me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
Perfect. Now let's drag it down to the ad-lib track, and let's hear the difference. Let's go here.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge, keep on rolling out the P.
Awesome. So you guys can hear the difference between those ad-libs as well. Same thing with the double. If you guys want to record a double track, you guys could use that right there. Or if you guys just want to drag and drop. I'm not a fan of it, but it does work sometimes. It does bring up a lot of those like background vocals, or just kind of makes it more fuller.
Who it be? Who it be? It's D-Boy, but
you guys could just adjust from there.
But don't forget the BLC. BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge.
Perfect. Now, if you guys remember, we added those channel strip settings in, and I'm going to show you guys why. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to hit the plus, I'm going to hit audio, and when I do, this box is going to pop up right here. To get here, just click this, boom. We're going to go to user channel strip settings, and we actually saved our essential hip-hop essential vocal stock. They're right here. You guys can see all the aggressive, all the LA, and all the warm vocals all right here. Now, for this one, we're going to try the warm vocals. We're going to hit the lead. And as you guys can see, it gave it a different color, gave it a different name already. It's all right here. It makes it super easy. So if you guys are recording, you guys like, yo, for this section, I want more of a warm vocal type of vibe. You guys can go right here and just add it in. Same thing with the aggressive, same thing with the crisp. It just makes it easy. So I just drag this down over here. Now let's hear the difference.
Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money.
I'm gonna do. I'm like, oh, let's try aggressive. I like aggressive. Let's see how that sounds.
It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
So that was nice, but we could go back to Chris. So I could either double click this right here, or I could bring this up right here, and we'll go back to the Chris vocals.
The BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge, keep on rolling.
Awesome. And if you guys were like punching in or anything like that, it's super easy to duplicate these tracks as well. If I have this track over here, I would just hit Command D, already make a track, keep all the plugins and everything, so you could just like keep punching in towards each track. Makes it super easy. Awesome. So that concludes our tutorial for today. I hope this really helped you guys out. If you guys like the way these templates and presets are sounding and looking, please check out our website, www.infiniterhythmpresets.com. I'll make sure I have a link in the description. You guys can check out all our different expansion packs, the different type of preset series that we have. I could really help you guys out at home. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Instagram at combat_K. I'll make sure I put my ad in the description below as well. And if this video really helped you out, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.